All right, future filmmaker. Now that you have your movie idea, it's time to plan out your story and get everything ready for filming. First, let's take your ideas from the idea generator and turn them into a script. A script is like a blueprint for your movie. It tells you what happens in each scene and what the characters say. Grab your script template and start writing. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just focus on getting your ideas down on paper. Now that you have your story, let's make a checklist of everything you'll need. Every movie has 3 important things: costumes, props, and locations. First, costumes. What will your characters wear? If you're making a superhero movie, maybe you need a cape. If your story takes place in the past, maybe you need an old-fashioned outfit. Look around your house. Sometimes the best costumes are just things you already have. Next, props. Props are the objects characters use in a scene. If your character finds a treasure map, you might need an old piece of paper to make one. If your story is about a magical wand, maybe a rolled-up piece of paper or a pencil could work. Finally, locations. Where does your movie take place? A park? Your backyard? Your living room? Use the location template in the back of the book to list out the places where you'll film your scenes. And remember, you can get creative. A blanket over a table could be a secret cave, or a big cardboard box could be a spaceship. Great work! Now you have your script, costumes, props, and locations all planned out. That means you're ready for the next step, storyboarding your movie. Go ahead and read that chapter, and I'll see you in the next video.